This is the Seeker Marine Kit. It's compact and portable and lets you live stream underwater footage from your action camera straight to your mobile phone or tablet. It's perfect for fishing, exploring, inspections and research. When you receive one of our Seeker kits, it's going to come in a box like this, and inside you've got a neat carry bag that everything packs into. Inside the bag you'll find the Seeker mount with receiver, a tether cable, a transmitter, a phone holder, and a cable fastener. To set up this kit, it's super simple. Take your action camera in a waterproof case and mount it onto our Seeker. The receiver will pick up the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth signals and transmit them through the tether cable to the transmitter. Setting up the transmitter is just as simple. Simply click it onto the back of a phone mount and place your phone in it. There's no hard connections and it's completely marine proof. What makes the Seeker super versatile is the GoPro-style finger mount. It lets you mount it to virtually anything, whether it's a burley pot, a pole, or a custom rig. We have a host of accessories like this, the current fin, and switching from one to another is just a matter of a click. If you're unsure if the Seeker Marine Kit or any of our other kits are right for you, click on the Find My Kit feature and answer a few quick multiple choice questions, and we'll recommend the perfect kit for your needs.